Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Frenchies. In this video, I'm going to show you how I added automatic LED lighting to my in-laws bathroom vanity. I've used these Cobb LED light strips with normally open magnetic reed switches on several projects now, and besides improving the look, the functionality is hard to beat. My father-in-law really liked this setup after seeing it in our kitchen and bathroom cabinets and drawers, so I offered to add it to their vanity as well. I've also used similar setups for closets and other storage areas. So let's get into it. This is a double sink vanity with 4 center drawers and storage under each sink behind 2 doors. These are the areas I added lighting to. In past projects with double doors, I've used a single reed switch. This time I upgraded the setup by using 1 switch per door, so the lights turn on no matter which door is open first. The most important thing to figure out first is the power source. I already ran low voltage power into the vanity from a DC adapter plugged in on the other side of the wall. This single power source feeds every light in the vanity. Since power enters here, this is where I started. This project involves a lot of wiring and wire management, so I'm going to speed through some of this, but the wiring principles stay the same throughout. Here's the wiring diagram for the undersink areas and drawers. I added an inline dimmer inside the left storage area. Even though this is mostly a set and forget setup, it lets you fine-tune brightness to your preference. Wiring is straightforward, positive to positive, negative to negative. The dimmer has a clearly marked input for power from the adapter and an output that feeds all the reed switches and LED strips. Before installing anything, I measured and cut the LED strips to size and added connectors with leads. Each storage area has an upper section and a lower section divided by a shelf, so those 2 strips need to be bridged together so they act as one light source. This also applies to 2 lower center drawers, as you'll see later. The reed switches are also bridged together, then wired in line in the positive side between the power source and the LED strips. The magnet mounts on the door or drawer, and the switch mounts on the cabinet frame. When the door is closed, the magnet engages the switch and cuts power. When the door opens, the circuit closes and the lights turn on. Once the left side was complete, I moved on to the right side and then the center drawers. But first, here's the difference between one side with lighting and one without. The bottom two drawers don't have a cross member above them, so instead of mounting overhead, I ran LED strips horizontally on each side wall, just above the drawer walls. And that's it. Every drawer and door now lights up its corresponding storage area automatically when opened. I've listed all the parts I used down in the description for reference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more real-world DIY projects, and I'll see you in the next one.